Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the first ever episode of Math of Minecraft. This is a series that I'm starting that is going to talk about how we can see math in Minecraft practically every day. Today's episode 1 on ratios. Now, a couple definitions. Ratio is a comparison of two numbers by division. It's usually written as a fraction with a colon or with the word 2. So, for example, we have the fraction 1 over 2, also known as 1/2. We have 1 colon 2, which would just say 1 to 2. Or we could actually spell out 2 as in 1, 2, 2. Okay. Now, in a new world, what do you do if you want to survive? Well, you got to start by punching wood. So let's punch some wood. Now, a ratio you see a lot in real life when you're shopping. So if you buy candy bar, 2 candy bars for $1. Then that's 2 candy bars for $1. You can also double it. So if 2 candy bars cost $1, you can get 4 candy bars for $2. But that's getting more into proportions, which we'll talk about later. Okay, I've got some wood. Whoops, there's some remnants of previousness. So one thing I can do is compare 1 oak wood to 4 wood planks. So crafting is where I'm going to show you most of the ratios. So we get a ratio of 1 wood to 4 planks. 1 wood to 4 planks. There's my ratio. I wish this stuff wasn't here. Let's just get rid of that really quick. Okay, you never saw that. Okay, so 1 wood gave me 4 ratios, or 4 planks. Here's another ratio. 4 planks gives me 1 crafting table. That's a ratio of 4 planks to 1 crafting table. 1 to 4. Let's see. How about this one? 2 planks gives me 4 sticks. Well, I need a sign. Now, I'm not going to do this because notice this is comparing planks, sticks, and signs. So it's no longer comparing 2 things. We're comparing 3 things. So I'm not counting that in terms of ratios. So the one we just did was 2 planks to 4 sticks. 2 planks to 4 sticks. Let's write that. So I got 2 planks gives me 4 sticks. Now, if you ignore the words, but the words are super important so you know what you're talking about, but you notice I have the fraction 2/4. I could reduce that. 2/4 reduces to 1 plank gives me 2 sticks. Now, that's not really something realistic in Minecraft because I can't turn 1 plank into 2 sticks. I have to do 2 planks to 4 sticks. But what this does is it simplifies and it lets me know, all right, in reality, what is 2 sticks worth? And that's 1 plank. So if I wanted to know how much, this would give me 2 sticks. There's 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. So 16 sticks if I really wanted to, but I don't. Let's look at a couple other ratios. There's 2 planks to 1 pressure plate. Here's 3 planks to 6 slabs. 6 planks to 3 doors. I'm having trouble double clicking. 6 planks to 2 trapdoors. Here's one. 5 planks to 1 boat. So there's tons of different ratios, and you could think about a ratio anytime you craft one thing into something else. Let's kind of get more sticks. How about this? Here's 7 sticks. Gets me 3 ladders. Now we can go into all sorts of math, but really it's going to be strong when we get into proportions to show kind of how I can convert one thing to the other. So I'm keeping it simple for now, talking about just one thing compared to another. That's a ratio. I'm going to switch over to game mode 1, and let's look at some of the other things we can do. I mean, really anything I can turn into a block, we're going to be able to do a ratio. That's kind of obvious. Actually, I need a bunch of those. Anyways, so here's charcoal. Oh, you can't do charcoal block. Sorry, I need coal. So here is 9 coal gives me 1 block. That's a ratio of 1 coal to, or 9 coal to 1 block. Same thing with diamonds. 9 diamonds gives me 1 diamond block. It's a ratio of 9 to 1. Same thing, same thing. What about here? 3 sugar canes gives me 3 papers. So that's 3 over 3, which technically reduces to 1 over 1. So 1 sugar cane turns into 1 paper, but that's not an option in Minecraft. 1 sugar cane gives me 1 sugar. So really a sugar and a paper are about the same thing. Here's 4 nether brick gives me 1 nether brick. Well, that's confusing. Nether brick bricks gives me 1 nether brick. Anyways, I could go on forever. That's ratio. Again, it's comparison of 2 numbers by division. You see those everywhere. And so what I'd like you to do is please comment below where you see ratios in Minecraft, where you see them in real life. And yes, real life. I know that's the outdoors. And hopefully I will see you again for future episodes. Again, well, I don't know again. My name's Mr. Ainley, and thank you for watching Math of Minecraft.